Joe, I want to say that you represent like this fandom that we have for you between two generations and more. That's me and my mother who's there. And she's come to the
Wonderful.
Homegrown Festival
Namaste.
because she was like, Jyotika's there, I'm coming. And I think that's what you bring to the table, right? Like you have been a force in movies across languages and dialects for so long. And here you are at in this show as well. I have a question as an actor for you. Do you see it's the job of producers usually to break the mold when it comes to casting? And I think Shabani and their team have done that at Netflix. But as an actor, do you think it's important for you also to put in that sort of work to understand the different cultures, to understand the different industries? What do you bring to the table as an actor? Like, what is that understanding?
I think for all of us women, we are made up of the choices we make in life. And I've just believed to choose what I believe in. And that's been my journey. And as far as Dabba Katal goes, it was a big surprise to me that Excel came up to me with it. After 27 long years, it was like a breakthrough. It was an icebreaker. And I don't know how they actually thought of me for this. But, well, it's been, I feel as an actor, it's the best thing to do is explore all the languages. And I think language is no barrier today. You know, my daughter watches Spanish and Korean shows. So I think it's good to break through the barriers. And it's great that right now, India is at its best. We're just culminating every state and all the actors together. We have more state actors in the series also. So it's a wonderful experience for me. As an actor, I feel all that you need in your journey is growth. And I've experienced that through Dabba Katal.
I think it's amazing. Thank you so much. You also co-inhabit a space, two of you superstars, okay? And I think there was news, my mom, of course, tells me everything about your life. She said she's moved to Bombay now. She's moved to Bombay, yaar.
The last 3 years.
The last 3 years, right?
Yeah.
So how has that been for you? And personally, talk to us. I mean, sorry, our roads are really bad and we can't do anything about it. But what does this city bring to you as an artist?
So I was born and brought up in Bombay. And I'm a very much a Punjabi at heart also. Now more a Tamilian. But as an actor, I feel, to be very frank and honest, I feel after 40, it's a better place for women here. And I think the roles are very diverse. They're well written. They have layers. They're more real. And to be very honest, Varuna as a character, it's a simple character, it's a complicating character, but I haven't played such a layered character before. I've done some 55 odd films in South, but this character gave me a whole lot of new things to perform, which I have never done in the last 55 films. No complaints. I think the films I've done in the South, I wouldn't have done them here either.
Woohoo!
Yeah,
You're
they've been
fantastic.
some of my, I can't imagine myself that being written here in those days. But today, very honestly, being a 40 plus, I think the way the characters are written here for women, it's extremely special, it's very real, and there is far more growth. And I really hope and pray that we do see these shades down south also. We do see this for the 40 plus women.
Absolutely. You and Surya sir are also, similar to what Shibani is talking about, are also making sure that there's content that's being made under your aegis, right? That means you're also producer. Was there anything that, creatively was exchanged between you and this team, perhaps, that you knew better, or perhaps you learned as a process of exchange?
I look up to Shibani. I haven't yet done what she's doing. I haven't got like a team of women together and really had the seed of thought to make something like this. Definitely as a producer down south, we have done films which support smaller scripts and stories which need to be told, the real stories, everyday stories. And we've excelled at that. Excel is the connection there. But I think she's done something beyond me. I look up to her. And at this moment, the most common thing we're sharing is pride. I think we're so proud of Dabba Katal, and I think I look up to her, and I think maybe this is the stepping stone for me to go back home and
Yeah, who
Instead
knows?
of waiting for the change to happen, probably I should be the one to make it also.
I don't know if anybody else will sing this song with me, but whenever I see you, I have to sing Kissa Hum Likhenge. Anybody? Nobody? Yeah? Oh,
I
this
don't
Gen
think
Z.
they were born
with
then.
her, sing with her.
Gen Z festival, this homegrown festival. But yeah, that. And you and Akshay Khanna and like Doli Saja Ke Rakhna and like 1997 and like, woo!
27 years, yeah, 27 or 30 long years.
Wow,
Yeah,
wow,
yeah.
wow. Huge fan. Okay, huge fan. Just call me Joe, and let me tell you, it's very rare in the business that I work in. I have been told to call people sir. कि आप मुझे sir बुलाएं. And I have said, बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया आपका, you know. But it happens, and it's not simple. So this is something which is different, and that's so incredible. And I don't know if you're comfortable about talking about this, but why is that important to you that people just call you Jyotika?
I think I feel younger.
Yeah.
How lovely, how lovely. Thank you so much.
No, I think it's just
Amazing.
informality between everyone. And I think all the girls also on the show, I think what really makes us respect each other is not the number of films we've done and whom we are or what we've been in the past. It's just a respect for another good actor. And I think Sai and Shalini, Anjali, I don't have to talk about Shabana ma'am at all, but all have been on the same level, and it's been brilliant. As she said, it's everyone's character is so deeply and well written, and we really have to thank you, Shabani, for
Yeah,
this.
sure.
All of us.
Bringing us all together.
Yeah. It's very special.